Hey, thank you guys for downloading 5 guaranteed services that lure taxpayers and grow your tax business. And within this ebook, we'll touch on 5 key concepts. Number 1, refund transfers. Number 2, refund advances. Number 3, your virtual tax business. Number 4, ERO advances, startup capital for your tax business. And 5, marketing strategies. So we'll break down each and every one a little bit very simply, just so that you have an idea of what that is. And then the book will go ahead and go into it a little bit further. So for refund transfers, if you didn't know, it allows taxpayers to pay your tax preparation fees through their refund. In other words, no upfront payment. And that's really, really effective. Now, the one thing that we start to see when you start to offer these services is the inability to properly message that out to friends, family, or your community, right? And so even though we facilitate the service, we allow it to happen, we needed to do a better job of providing resources and tools so that you can message this out properly to your community. So we created a marketing library just for that. We created a library that allows you to simply go into our dashboard, go to the marketing section for that, right, the library, and then click on any downloadable post that specifically talks about no upfront payment, get your taxes done here, don't need to pay upfront, those types of messages, so that people understand that this is the type of service they can receive in your tax office, right? We want to make sure that you have all these tools readily at your disposal so that you don't have to worry about that marketing aspect, the burden of having to, find professionally designed posts so that you can get your message across properly. In the same kind of respect for refund advances, they allow taxpayers to access their money now as opposed to later, accessing their money in minutes. And if you start to see big tax franchises are using refund advances as a centerpiece of their marketing. And so now the taxpayers are starting to expect that from people, starting to expect that from tax professionals, that if they go to your office, that you'll have at least the opportunity to have a refund advance, or that they can access their money now. And so you have to learn how to leverage that part of your business. And even though you may not have a lot of those clients, it's still important to have, because now that's a bit more of the expectation. So we dive a little bit more into the book on how to properly leverage that part of your business. On number 3, from a virtual tax business side, we start to see how big tax franchises are using technology in this space to have taxpayers complete their taxes from the comfort of home. And that's exactly what we want to extend to you. We want to provide these types of tools and resources, especially in a time like this where there's a pandemic and you can't go to your office, and you want to make sure that you can receive these documents securely and then start working on that return. So we want to go ahead and pave that road for you guys and show you exactly how it's done with absolutely little effort whatsoever. Number 4, when it comes to ERO advances, we understand you need startup capital to expand your office, for payroll, for tax software, things like that. And so we want to be able to provide those things. And we created a program specifically for you when it comes to that, so that it can alleviate some of those burdens prior to tax season. And then have all your ducks in a row and get ready for it, so that you can be well prepared for what's to come. And number 5, effective marketing strategies. Part of the marketing library is creating all these tools so that you can quickly upload these posts into social media and different platforms, and express that message right to your community the right way. And then also, from a more of a one-on-one strategy that I'd love to talk to you guys more about, is how to be more specific in your marketing. So we have a specific strategy focusing on a niche, and then using lead magnets and certain funnels and processes to get you more clients. And it's a proven method that we've worked with thousands of tax professionals, and want to employ that same kind of strategy for you guys. So go ahead and schedule a time with us. We'd love to talk to you a little bit more of what that means, and how to grow your tax business. And we're just really excited to get on board with you guys and show you all the really cool things that we're offering here at Refundo, so that you guys can be as successful as you can this tax season.